Sean time. Yeah. We've decided that we want to go and doorbell ditch people. And so we are making cards. This was Mom's idea. This was Michelle's idea. And she came up with this wonderful idea. She wanted to go doorbell ditch old ladies and leave potted flowers there, but I'm kind of a scary looking guy in the dark, and I don't think that I should be knocking on old ladies' doors. So we are going to leave treats at people's houses. We've got the cards done and we're ready to go to the store to pick up the treats. We're really excited to take these and drop them off at everyone's house. This one's Mommy's. Michelle made this one. Such a beautiful card. And this one with the misspelled happy is mine. I kind of ran out of room, so I said, who needs the other P? And Alex made this one. You can kind of read it there. You can see happy Monday. Kind of ran into same thing. And this very intricate one is Max's.
We're going to get some inspiration as we walk down the aisle here.
Ooh, Melba toast. Who would appreciate that? Ooh, lots and lots. Lots of candy.
Something lemony, Alex.
Alex, how about something like a thing of animal crackers? Or here's some iced lemonade cookies. Those might be yummy.
Cheesecake middles. Sound good or not?
Cake stirs. Sure. Let's see them. Cheesecake middles, original graham. Yeah, we can try those. Why not? We're giving them away. You gonna pick one, Alex? Yeah, well, those ones I pointed out. Iced lemon ones.
I need something with a lot in it.
What are these Oreos here? Golden Oreos. Those aren't lemon though, are they?
How about?
Does it have to be lemony, Alex?
Nope.
There's something lemon down there. I think it's lemon jelly. No, they're just some kind of lemon stuff. Okay. Now there's the stuff right there. Orange cream soda and root beer. Henry Weinhardt's. I actually like the IBC root beer better. But I think we're going to get one of these. These make the best ice cream sodas. Delicious. Some really good vanilla ice cream with that. And that's the perfect ice cream to go with. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Sorry. Maybe it's down here. Yeah, that's more like it. That's more like it. Blue Bunny homemade vanilla. That's the good stuff. All right, so we're almost at victim number one's house, and they are getting. What are they getting, Mommy?
The iced lemonade.
Iced lemonade cookies.
Alex, there you go.
Victim number one, and Alex is gonna do this.
More flip-flops.
Oh, I hope he doesn't get caught. I don't want to bail him out. Bail him out of prison.
In his flip-flops.
In his flip-flops. Wearing flip-flops in prison is not a good idea, Alex. He is on his way. Alex, go! That house over there. He's making it. He's... Oh, I wish we could see him from here. He makes such a good...
Oh, here you go, here you go.
Okay, we're out of here. We're out of here. Come on, come on. Get in, get in. Get in, Alex, get in.
Go run into that recycle bin.
Good job. We're gone. We are gone.
Alright, we're down. Free to go.
Yeah, we did it. Alex, I am so proud of you, Alex.
He went in his bare feet, too.
You would make a wonderful, wonderful special ops soldier from that display of stealth. Okay, we're coming up on victim number 2.
Yeah.
We are giving them
Oreo.
Oreos. This is victim number 2, and we're gonna park at the house just in front, okay, Mama? Are you up to it, Mama?
Across. Oh my gosh, that's a long way to run.
You can run it. You can do it. You used to play soccer. Here we go. Everyone be quiet. Shh. We're hunting rabbit. Go, Mama, go. Just leave the door open. She's off. Godspeed! Here she comes. She's running. She's running. We should start driving already. Give her.
Don't be without me.
We were trying to help you get a head start.
Yeah.
We weren't leaving without you. All right. Off to victim number 3. All right. Victim number 3. They're going down. What are they getting tonight, Mama?
Cheesecake-filled graham cracker cookies.
I actually really don't like cheesecake, so. But I bet they'll love it. Gotta go stealth. Here we are. I can't leave the door open because it'll get knocked off by a car. Okay, here we go. The house in question. Be very quiet. We don't want them to know. I'm running. There we go. Thank you, Mom. Take this. And we're off. Okay, we need 100% verification for this op. And so, Mommy is gonna go with Alex to carry it out. Is it this house right here?
No.
Or it's the one back there? Okay, here you go, Mom. It is recording.
Alex.
You pointed at him.
Alright. These are iced molasses cookies. Here we go. Alright.
Which house is it?
Over here.
And we're running.
And they made it! Our much deserved spoils of war. Our spoils of war. Oh, I think I might need another one of these. Can you get me another one, Alex? Out of the fridge? Alright, everybody gets one. Alright, everybody, raise your glasses. Spoils of war. Up here, Max. Yay! To victory. Hey, thanks for watching JustSeanTime. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot.